In this segment, we're going to talk about how to use the basic addition of tools to trade different types of assets. So you can see here I've set up a chart. I have a radar screen right here, and to add an application like that to your desktop, you can just go over here and go to New Application and go down and click on Radar Screen to add that. I also have a scanner on there, so you can see you can add that here, as well as I have a chart. So what I did is I put a stock, an ETF, a futures contract, a cryptocurrency, and a Forex pair in my radar screen, because these are the things that you can chart on TradeStation. And if you can chart it, you can apply the tools to it. So if you go here and you've gone and added your study, and you can see here that I already have that study applied right here. I have the Chart Tools Basic turned on. And so you can put that on your chart. You can have it show the demand bands. You can have it show the segments, which show the bear and the bull boxes. And then you have your bandwidths, which are narrow, medium, and wide. And we've got that at the default setting of medium right now. And so you can easily look at your charts. You can see if you have a trade strategy that you only take fresh bands that have never been penetrated. You can see here that this is 0%. It's never been penetrated, but this one lower one down here is at 55.95% penetration. So you can put the different assets in your radar screen that you typically trade, and you can move through those and see where price action is. Is it near current price? And is this a band that would fit my trade strategy? You can also use this to help you determine where you might want to buy or sell an option. And one of the things you can do using the scanner is you can create a scan. Like if you want a certain average daily volume and you want your price to be within a certain range for your stock or ETF or whatever you're looking at, you can then put that information in, and you can do a daily scan, and then you can take the results from one of those scans. So let me find a scan here that I have some results on. So here were some preferred stocks I was looking at, and so you can actually just cut and paste these into your radar screen, and then you can see here that I have this linked symbol and interval is linked to the radar screen, so I can quickly scan through and see if there's any opportunities where I might want to buy into a preferred stock, or if I'm looking for certain things where I'm looking for want to see scan through stocks that have certain characteristics, and I'm possibly looking for a trend change or something of that nature. Depending on how you set up your scans, you can highlight those types of things that work to match your trade style and your trading strategy. So let me quickly just show you what it looks like as we pop through these different assets. So here you can see SPY on a 15-minute and what that would look like. Here's what tools looks like on a futures contract. Here's a Bitcoin and the USD CAD. So you can see that if you can chart it on TradeStation, then you can easily apply the basic tools to that chart. So you can see areas of supply and demand, and you can see your bull and bear boxes. So hopefully that helps you see a little bit about how the tool works in different asset classes. Learn more about tools for traders at sndsoftware.com.